Hello, Jem Ayres, sex coach here, and I just want to talk a little bit about the breast massage workshops that I run online. And this is an all-female space where we can really revisit and realign what our breasts do for us in the terms of self-love that we give. The feminine polarity gives from our heart space. So really this is the place where we need to nurture, because we're so often so giving and our breasts are misunderstood or misused or thought of as just for babies or for pleasure, male pleasure, and in fact not enough focus has been on our own pleasure, and often our breasts can numb out and we can have unsensitive nipples, and or we think that it's just the nipple that gives us pleasure. So I'm going to be running this workshop which focuses on touch and massage, self-massage for all of the heart space and the breasts, and it's a really beautiful experience, and it's an online workshop, so there's no nudity online at all. You'll be in your own space and you'll just be guided through a process with my voice talking, and I'll show you some techniques and touch techniques to begin with, so make sure that you bring your journals because there's going to be loads of notes to be taken. But it's a really beautiful place of expanding our capacity for giving more in our lives. For when we fuel ourselves first, we have more to give our partners, our children, our business, and our community as a whole. I look forward to seeing you there.